One of the world's leading manufacturers of motorcycles and other motorized vehicles is none other than Yamaha. Established in 1955 in Japan, Yamaha Motor has grown to become a global brand known for its quality and innovation. One of the major Yamaha motor factories is located in Iwata, Japan. The Iwata factory is renowned for its handcrafted production of high-performance motorcycles. The factory boasts state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and employs skilled artisans who meticulously assemble each motorcycle by hand. I heard Yamaha has a secret recipe for making their motorcycles that they keep locked up in a vault. Is it just that the workers at the Yamaha factory in Japan have a secret that gives them the ability to turn out so many motorcycles without any mistakes? The process of producing any vehicle begins with its design. The design process for Yamaha motorcycles is a crucial step in creating a great bike. It all starts with an idea, and then a team of engineers and designers work together to create a concept. This concept goes through multiple iterations and refinements, with each stage bringing the bike closer to its final form. The designers take into consideration everything from the bike's performance to its aesthetics, ensuring that the final product is both functional and visually appealing. Once the design is finalized, the next step is prototyping. The engineers use computer-aided design software to create a 3D model of the bike. This model is then used to create a physical prototype. The prototype is put through a series of tests to ensure that it meets Yamaha's high standards for safety, performance, and durability. These tests include everything from crash tests to endurance tests that simulate years of use. Yamaha has state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities that use the latest technology to produce their motorcycles. Each bike is assembled using a combination of robotic automation and skilled manual labor. The components are first fabricated, then assembled together to create the final product. Yamaha has rigorous quality control processes in place to ensure that every bike that rolls off the production line meets their high standards. One of the most important aspects of any motorcycle is the engine. Yamaha is known for its powerful and reliable engines, and their engineers work tirelessly to ensure that every engine they produce meets their high standards. The engines are designed to deliver maximum power and torque while also being fuel efficient and environmentally friendly. Yamaha's engines are put through rigorous testing to ensure that they can handle the demands of everyday use. Assembling a Yamaha motorcycle is a complex process that requires a high level of skill and attention to detail. The bikes are assembled in stages, with each stage requiring different skills and expertise. The assembly process includes everything from fitting the engine to installing the electronics and wiring. The bikes are then subjected to a final inspection to ensure that everything is working correctly and that the bike is ready for the road. Did you know that the motorcycles at the Iwata factory undergo more testing than most college students during finals week? Surprising. Before a Yamaha motorcycle is ready to be sold, it undergoes a series of tests to ensure that it meets Yamaha's highest standards for quality and safety. These tests include everything from road tests to stress tests that simulate years of use. Yamaha also conducts tests to ensure that their bikes meet environmental standards and are as fuel efficient as possible. Beyond their innovative approach to motorcycle manufacturing, Yamaha has played a major role in the bike riding community. Yamaha has sponsored and supported a wide range of racing events and competitions, including the MotoGP World Championship and the AMA Superbike Series. With their cutting-edge technology and superior performance, Yamaha motorcycles have consistently dominated these races, showcasing the brand's commitment to excellence. But Yamaha's impact goes beyond just professional racing. The brand has developed a strong following among enthusiasts and hobbyists, with dedicated fan clubs and online communities. Yamaha has created a culture around their motorcycles, inspiring riders of all levels to pursue their passion for riding. Yamaha has a strong commitment to sustainability and takes pride in their environmentally responsible practices. The company has implemented several initiatives to reduce their environmental impact, such as utilizing renewable energy sources and reducing waste in their manufacturing processes. Yamaha also encourages customers to recycle their products and has set up a recycling program for end-of-life vehicles. In addition to their focus on sustainability, Yamaha places great importance on the well-being of their employees. The company offers a range of programs and benefits to support the physical and mental health of their staff, including health screenings, wellness programs, and employee assistance programs. Yamaha also places a strong emphasis on diversity and inclusion, striving to create a welcoming and inclusive workplace for employees of all backgrounds. Yamaha is more than just a motorcycle company. They also specialize in music, marine products, power sports, and robotics. With a commitment to innovation and excellence in various industries, Yamaha continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. Whether you're a motorcycle enthusiast or interested in cutting-edge technology, Yamaha is a company worth watching. Their legacy of technological advancement and innovation will undoubtedly continue to shape and inspire the industry. We look forward to seeing you riders in our future videos. Hit the brakes for a second and tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the road.